So for this one we need a brick and 2 large motors, and here we got a step-by-step for this video, and feel free to pause whenever you need to. And we have all the parts listed out and all the steps here, and that's basically all you need. So make sure to follow step by step, and if you need to scroll back or pause, slow down, whatever you need to finish this robot. This is actually very helpful because we will be making a couple of videos on this robot that you see above. This robot actually has many of the sensors that are crucial to this robot's functions, and yup, that's basically it for this video. Hey guys, I'm Sam, and today what we're going to be learning is how to use a easy robot to utilize many types of sensors. We have multiple types of things. First, we got the touch sensor, the ultrasonic sensor, the infrared sensor, and the color sensor. So this is how you do the color sensor. First off, you have the correct, if you built it correct, it will automatically just click in like that. Very simple. You can take it out and plug it in really easily for all of these. For the touch sensor, same type of beat. You want to click it in like that, and that's gonna allow you to click it in and out really quickly. You have these 2 pins that allow you to click it in really quickly, and the last 2 pin knocks for the touch sensor click into these pins to make it connect and disconnect very easily to the robot. For the third kind, we have something very similar to the first one, which is 2 pins in the back of the sensor to connect to the first 2 blocks of the actual robot. Very similar to the first color sensor. And the fourth kind is the the infrared sensor, and it can click to the red pins of the first or the third holes of this square piece, and from here we can click it in and it will very easily attach and detach. That's it for this robot. It's very simple and very helpful for multiple experiments with EV3, and we will have a series on this following this video.